In this video, we're going to be looking at labeling features. So first, I'd like to label the countries here. So I want to know which country is which by the use of labels. So let's start that. So to do that, before we're going to take a look at the attribute table of each individual shapefile that represents each individual country. Now before we do that, let's change the color of this specific country. There you go. The color is changed. Now before we do that, let's go to, for Pakistan, let's go to Pakistan's attribute table. There we go. We have polygon, and the name 0 is representing the name Pakistan here, and the name ENGL is also representing the Pakistan, and name ISO is also representing the name Pakistan, but it is with the capital letters. So what we're going to do now, I'm going to go to properties. There we go. Now from properties, you'll most probably be in general. From there, we're going to go to labels. There we go. Now label the field, which field is going to be labeled. So if we take name 0, as we have seen, name 0 represents Pakistan there, then we can adjust the size of our text. Also we can adjust the font type. So let's just keep it at Arial this time, and the size is 8. Let's keep it at that. And we can also change the color of the text. Let's keep it black for the first time as well. Now click on apply and then click on OK. There we go. So the settings are done. Now we just need to apply the label to our shapefile. Now to do that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a right click again on Pakistan's file, and then you'll see here option called label features. Now if you click on that, it has labeled the feature and the feature you had selected. So here Pakistan, it is the first P is in capital letters, and then the rest is in small letters. Now if I wanted all of them to be in capital letters, then in the attributes table, sorry about that, then in the attributes table, you can see the name ISO contains the name with all capital letters. So what we're going to do is we're going to uncheck the label features. Now the label is gone. Then we're going to go back to properties. There we go. From here, labels, from name 0 to, we're going to change it to name ISO. And this time I'm going to change the color as well. Let's give it let's say a deep blue color, and then I'm going to change the text height as well. Let's give it 20. There we go. It is also showing you a representation here, and then click on apply and OK. Now when I do a right click on Pakistan's file and then click on label features, as you can see that name ISO is being represented as the label, and the color is bluish color that we have selected, and the font text size has also increased. Now we can do the same for India and Pakistan. Let's go, sorry, India and Bangladesh. So for India, there we go, name 08, let's turn it to let's say 22 again. Let's keep it black. Now let's change the font type, whichever font you want, not that font, sorry about that. There we go. Now click on apply and click on OK. Now we just need to label the feature, and as you can see, the label feature has done its job. Now what else we could have done here? Those are for countries. Now let's open a file. There we go. That is not, well, it is the Pakistan file, but it is also representing the, let me see, what are they representing here? There we go, name 1, that is name 0, ID type 1. If we move around here, ENG type, variance name. So most likely these are representing the districts or the states of Pakistan. So now we have different types of name as well. The ISO is showing PAK, the name 0 is showing the country name, the name 1 is showing different types of regional names, region names, or the names of different polygons here that are representing different districts or states here. So what we're going to do is first we're going to set it to name 0, and then we're going to change it to name 1 to see what happens. Okay, so at first let's go to our properties. There we go, labels. Now we have at name 0. and let's increase the height a bit. There you go, we take it to 22. Click on apply and then click on OK. Then we're going to do label features. As you can see, all of the polygons are representing Pakistan. So the Pakistan has been represented here, but the different polygons represent different states. So if you don't want it like this, that the different states are representing the country name, then what you can do is we can change it to the state's name or the district's name. So we shut down label features, so you go back to properties. There we go. In label, instead of name 0, we're going to change the field to name 1. There we go, there we go. Click on apply, click on OK. Now there we go. Let's do a label features. As you can see, the names have been changed and each individual polygon is now showing the state or the district name of that individual polygon. Okay, so that is how you can label features in ArcGIS, and that was it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you and you got to learn something new. Thank you very much for watching. If you have found the video to be useful, please like and consider subscribing to the channel, as it will enable me to make more videos like this one. Thank you.